Okay, let me create a short video on how you can do that. Okay, start 301 hash. Then you can see these options on the screen. Maybe my option here, what you want to do is to buy data, so select data plans. That is, you type on reply and type 1 reply. It will bring these options: data plans, social bundles, business plan. Reply with 1, so I'll tap on reply and then type 1, which is data plans. That's what I need. Then here it says buy data plan: 1 daily, 2 weekly, 3 monthly. Let's say it's monthly I want to buy. I'll tap on reply and then type 3. Then it displays some options for monthly plan. Let's say I want to buy the number 2, which is 1002 for 1.5 gig. I'll type reply and then type 2 reply. Then it will give you a new screen telling you that you should do another thing. Here I don't have enough airtime in my phone, and that's why it brought up this message. So maybe it will tell you to accept offer. You should click 1, then type reply and then type 1. Once it's successful, they will let you know. It's a step-by-step stuff. Okay, so do that how you get it right. As simple as that. Thank you.